Alright, what's going on YouTube? Doing a quick video on how to install this Blitz style spoiler. This isn't actually Blitz, it is a rep, but it looks exactly like it and it looks clean. I will leave a link down in the description. So let's get to it. As you can see, it does have 3 bolt holes. So I am going to bolt it onto the vehicle. And I did buy this template from Toyota. It's only 25 bucks. I'll leave the part number in the description. And it doesn't match. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on top and we're gonna mark it with the marker.
So let's get going right here. Pretty much gonna set it up first.
Just make sure it lines up to the corners, just like
so
that.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go with a Sharpie or a marker or something so I can trace it from right here. And after I trace it, we're gonna remove the template, put it in the ground. And then, yeah, start it. First thing we're doing, mark the holes to drill the holes.
So basically all I did was just do a straight line with the Sharpie to match it up. And now we're just gonna take it off and line it back up.
I'm gonna slide the line right there.
Just line it up. Now we're gonna tape it down. So we just taped it down, make sure that black line matched up with the end of the spoiler, lined up perfectly. We just taped it all around, and these holes we're just gonna poke little holes through them. To the existing ones is right here.
Because you can see, I mean, the ones that come with the template, they do not match on, like that one. You see it's a little off. So all we're gonna do is just mark these ones, the one we actually need, put the template back on the car, and start drilling.
So to get to this area, just open the hatch and you just pop this little cover. And what you're gonna wanna do is get those same panel poppers and pop this clip out. All right, so one hole's gonna go right here and the other hole's gonna go right here, in this corner and that corner. So what we have to do is remove all the plastic trims. So first you just wanna pop this big boy out, pops down easily. And then to remove the other trim, you need a T30. It's pretty easy to remove. There's 2 right there. There's 4 up here. And that should be it. I'll show you guys when we pop it off. All right, so I ran into a little issue. And the original template does say to drill 3 holes, but my spoiler only has 1 hole. So what we're gonna do is just drill 1 hole, drill it right here down the middle, bolt it down, and just 3M tape the rest. So it's only gonna be held by 1 bolt and tape, which would be fine because mostly everyone just tapes it down. We cannot take this off. We try to attempt, but you have to take off the whole hatch, and we're not about to do that just for a little spoiler. So all we're gonna do is drill down the holes down the center, right where that mark is. Thread it through and just 3M tape it down. So we have to dot where we're gonna drill the bolt. We're about to center punch it and just drill a hole.
And we're gonna start with a small drill and then work our way up. Cool, let's go. Now we can get the template out the way and start drilling this bad boy. Also, just make sure that we're not gonna hit any wires. Just double check real quick. Oh, it's gonna be right. Oh, so let's see. Perfect.
So we're just basically doing it by eye and just making sure that thing fits, so it still needs a lot. So now we just test fit. And just a little bit too tight, so we're gonna need a little bit bigger. So now that we got that hole drilled, I'm just applying the 3M since it doesn't come with it. It comes separate. It comes with the order, but it just comes on the side. So all I'm doing, I just prepped it real quick with alcohol, wiped it down, and just applied these on there. So before you put the 3M on, you do have to wipe it down with isopropyl alcohol. I only have these sterile alcohol prep pads, so that's what I'm gonna do it, but it's preferred to do it with the isopropyl alcohol and just use microfiber and wipe it down.
So the final step to do is just line up the spoiler to the bolt hole. You get the bolt and you thread it in like 3 threads, and from there something's going to be holding it. So just line up the edges, make sure all the edges are flush, and once you think that you have your perfect fitment, all you got to do is press down on the spoiler, make sure that that 3M gets stuck on it tight, and then tighten the bolt.
So what we end up doing is just buying this bolt from Home Depot. I'll put a link down in the description. And I used the nut from the template that I bought from Toyota, and I just used it as a washer basically, and it's secured tight on there. It ain't going nowhere. I did press down on the spoiler. It came out pretty flush. I like how it fit. So all you do is just basically press down on it so that tape can get stuck to it. Make sure there's no gaps. And that's basically the installation of the spoiler. Thank you for watching this video.